Get the good ice on demand. Schedule and start fresh ice anytime, anywhere with this smart and innovative Wi-Fi-enabled ice maker. Automatic updates ensure your ice maker is always ready when you are. Take your smart home to the next level with Opal Nugget Ice Maker's voice control capabilities. Easily pair with an Alexa or Google device. Alexa, turn on Opal. Alexa, turn on the light. Alexa, turn off Opal.
This is not just ice. This is the good ice. Finally, a Nugget ice maker that makes your Mai Tai taste fly. This is smarter innovation, the Opal Nugget Ice Maker. This is
The Luma Comfort IM200SS Portable Ice Maker is the ultimate luxury entertaining necessity. It creates beautiful, crystal clear ice just like you'd find in your favorite bar or restaurant. Ordinary ice is made by water being cooled all at once, either in a sealed environment or by cooled components touching the water. Both of these cause oxidation, resulting in cloudiness. Taking their inspiration from nature, the Luma design team created a system based on how icicles are formed. A waterfall continuously flows over a supercooled honeycomb, freezing layer by layer. When the ice has built up, the honeycomb switches from cold to warm, causing the ice to drop into the bin completely intact. Other ice makers produce cloudy or oddly shaped ice. The IM200SS can produce 28 pounds of ice in a day, and the clear ice actually melts at a rate 5 times slower than cloudy ice. The simple plug-and-play setup lets you get started right away, and there's no plumbing required. Just pour water in. The IM200SS includes a scoop and a removable bin for large quantities. The LED push-button controls makes it easy enough for anyone to use. Its stainless steel finish and elegant, top-notch design makes it at home in any space. From entertaining to cocktail parties or the big game day, whatever the occasion, the Luma Comfort IM200